Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Happy Wednesday. Today I'm going to do a Wanderlust pour. Mina's coined that term for this particular style of pour. I'm doing two wandering straight pours in opposite directions, and then I will tilt them out. Hey, be nice. This is what I have to deal with. The little baby dog is always fighting with everybody else. It's chaos. Anyways, like I said, Wanderlust Pour. Two wandering straight pours going against each other, and then I will tilt it out. All right, so let's get down on the canvas to get started. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so what I've got today is I am going to do the double wandering straight pour that Mina does. Kind of like doing one pour one way, one pour the other way. This is just a small canvas, a little 16 by 20, so I'm only going to need 12 ounces of paint. So my colors today are going to be Creative Inspirations in Payne's Gray, Sky Blue Light, Amsterdam, Phthalo Blue, Amsterdam, 24K, DecoArt, Titanium White from Amsterdam, and this really pretty, it's yellow orange from Pebeo. I think it's yellow orange, or is it orange yellow? I don't know, I have to let you know. In any case, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna layer 2 cups identical, and then I'm gonna pour one this way and then one this way. So let's get to layering up our cup. All right, so let's do little dribbles of gold first. I'm going to do the Payne's Gray. I'm only going to need to fill these cups up about halfway because that's all I need is 12 ounces. Sky Blue Light. Phthalo Blue. Just a smidge of gold. Smidge of white, and some of this orange. I'm going to layer a little bit of white there. Separation layer between the orange and the blue, because I think the blue is going to look good next to the orange, but I don't want to create too much mud. So my first row of paint is going to go about right here. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of gold, not much. We're going to pour right into that. gonna pour from the opposite side of the way I put the paint in the cup. Let's add some flow extender around this. Give this a torch. Since there's so much orange over there, I think I'm gonna go ahead and lose some of that first. Bring this back here. Definitely think it needs to be on the vertical and not horizontal. So I'm just gonna clean up these edges. I will bring you guys in. All right, here we are with the wet result. So I really like this on the vertical. It looked good on the horizontal, but I think on the vertical is much better. I love all the lines that I got out of this. Got some really big boulder cells coming up here. I'll show you in a second. Look at these gradient lines going through there with the cells popping through. Orange is doing some cool things because it's looking orange and kind of peach. Those giant cells there. Nice little orange going through there. that Payne's gray. All right, so let's see this when it's dry. I'll be right back. All right, here we are with the dried result. This is really beautiful. I love this color combination. Definitely gonna use this color combination in some different pours. Let me bring you in here, show you the up close results. All right, everyone, that's gonna do it for today's video. So this is the way I think I like it. I like it on the vertical, but I'm loving the lines and the cells and the color. This color combination is just really, really fantastic. Gonna get some gloss varnish on that for sure. All right, everyone, I will see you on Sunday's video. Everyone have a great rest of the week. Thanks for watching. Thanks for attending my premieres. Make sure you have liked, commented, and subscribed to my channel. Hit the notification bell. That'll let you know when I do post new video content. That way you don't miss out on anything. All right, everyone. Thanks a lot. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.